How to download Telegram on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to download Telegram on Android. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Play Store on your Android device. Sign into your account. Now tap search icon at bottom right. Tap the search bar at top and type in Telegram. You need to search for the official Telegram application and then tap the install button next to it. Depending on the space you have on your device and internet connection, it will take a few time to download and install on your device. Once it is downloaded and installed, you will successfully view it on your home screen. You can easily tap on Telegram icon to open it and use Telegram to chat or have conversation with people. And that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.